clients are all experienced junior engineers in the Goa PWD, and they have been unfairly bypassed for promotion to the post of assistant engineer. The law is very clear otherwise that the promotions must follow a ratio of 60:40 quota in favor of junior engineers over technical assistants. But in June this year, the government issued an ad hoc promotion order that completely reversed this ratio, and they have given more posts to the technical assistants and completely sidelined the junior engineers. This not only violates the recruitment rules but also the constitutional guarantee of equal opportunity in public employment. So we have moved the Honorable High Court to set aside this illegal promotions and fill the same by maintaining the 60:40 ratio as prescribed under the rules. So the entire thing, as we have contended, has been done to favor certain technical assistants who are otherwise not eligible for the said post. Today, the notices were issued with the returnable date on 23rd September.